We have a lot of fun actually. We laugh a lot together in our office, so I really like that. So I feel we're really making a team together.
People want you to succeed. People want to help you. But they also challenge you because it is an ambitious team. You feel that. You feel that people want to move, want to grow, want to push forward in actually creating a healthier planet for our children. I think that is something that you feel when being with your colleagues.
Neste supports very the growth of your job. You can grow into your role, but also outside your role.
We're looking for people who have the courage to stand up for safety, who speak up no matter who's in front of them, in order to make sure that if it's unsafe that we act, that we do the right things. Safety is a prerequisite, otherwise we don't operate.
I think seeing the current environment state, I think Neste is making really good steps in the right direction, especially for future children. If you look around all the companies who are shifting now in the same direction as Neste because they have to, I feel Neste really made the right step early on.
As Neste has always been providing me new opportunities to learn, new opportunities to develop. So I constantly have had the feeling that Neste provides my growth and gives me new learning opportunities.
I think it's very open atmosphere with a just culture. I think you are allowed to explore your skills and capability at Neste.
The expansion plan for Neste is a great opportunity to bring us closer to our purpose. And our purpose is to create a healthier planet for future generations and our children. This expansion is a huge for the Neste site here in Rotterdam. And we're also welcoming more than 100 colleagues to help us grow and expand the site.
We gladly welcome and include you on this journey, and we appreciate diversity and also that everyone can be their own true selves.